Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to another video. So iOS 16 have launched a new feature. If you are using iOS 16, what will be there? You have the battery percentage here and your battery. So if this is not showing like this, then what to bring this back here? So let's get started without wasting any time. First of all, what you need to do is just here open up the settings app and scroll it below here, and here is the battery. So tap on this, and here is the battery percentage toggle. You have to turn this on, and here you can see here is the battery percentage. So this battery percentage will be inside the battery if you are using iPhone 12 or later series, and if you are using other iPhones, you will have battery percentage here outside of your battery icon. So that's how can you get your battery percentage. So that's it guys for today video. If the video helped you, like to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.